This is my favorite way to do pork chops. I like to start with some applesauce and place my pork chops on top. Then I put some green beans and some baby carrots. Now I like to use apple pie filling on top of the pork chops. It already comes with the brown sugar and cinnamon
There's so
inside
much going on.
and the apples.
I don't
then
even
you just
know.
spread that right on top
Because
of the chops.
first of all,
Then I like to use some red onions because apples and onions go good.
Not just that.
Now I take some butter
a
and
whole
put that all
bag
over
of
my carrots
green beans
and
that
my
wasn't
green
even
beans.
washed and cut.
Add a little bit
Then
of
you
salt to
got
everything.
apple pie
sweet and
filling on
salty.
top of that.
Then I use some brown sugar on the carrots and cinnamon. And I like to use some cream of mushroom soup on the green
what is
beans.
going on here?
Bake
Because I
this
just
at
saw
400
cream of
degrees for
mushroom
30
and other
minutes.
stuff get
Look how
added
good
on
it
here.
looks. Make yourself a plate, cut yourself a bite,
This
and
is
enjoy.
pretty much
So
just death
easy and
on the
so
plate.
good.
If you
gotta
ask
try
me,
it.
like, girl, go somewhere talking about you need to try this. Boy, am I sick of y'all on this app. TikTok needs to go.